The Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which is a coalition of the farmer union leaders, has called for a nationwide strike, which is the Bharat Bandh, today on March 26. This protest is against the three agri laws which the farmers are asking to repeal it as soon as possible. But the government is yet to agree with them. We are now at Bhubaneswar Master Canteen Square. Here, as you can see, the rail and road transportation services are affected and most of the markets are shut. The Odisha government on Thursday declared the closure of all educational institutions across the state on March 26 in view of the nationwide Bharat Bandh. Adequate security arrangements have been made to maintain peace in the capital city. The exams which were supposed to be held today have also been postponed. However, the farmer unions have assured that emergency services like ambulance will be allowed during the nationwide shutdown.
Contract Farming Act, Private Mondi Act and Essential Commodity Act. All three acts are black acts. Definitely could say that to keeping the interest of the corporate houses, Gautam Adani, Mukesh Ambani, the government has passed the laws to take money from them and contest in the election, win over the election and go for Hindu Rashtra. The whole agenda is this. And we the intelligentsia, we the farming community, we the people of India, by no means will support this act.
जो तीनोटी कृषि आईन अच्छी सबू तो बिकी सारी बंची खाली चाष जमी तेणु चाष जमी चाषी को केमी उत्खात कर से चाष जमी को कॉर्पोरेट हाथ में बिक्री करेंगे प्रथम जो कॉर्पोरेट फार्मिंग जो आईन कथा कहते आनी द्वितीय जोटा रही एमएसपी कथा जो कहूँ एमएसपी आप आईन आणतु बोली जी भी प्राइवेट मंडी जब खोलुंट से एति टंकार कम खाद्य शस्य किनीपारे ना आईन कर दिंतु विरोध कर किसी ना कि करेंगे अत्यावश्यक सामग्री आईन आप देखो होर्डिंग जो मैंने करुले इलिगाली कार्यानुष्ठान किंतु ए आईन फल जी इलिगाली होर्डिंग कर इलिगाल कहना जहाँ पाखे टंका अच्छी सी मजबूत कर रखिपर।
Three laws which have been passed by the parliament is anti-farmers and anti-consumer. It will seriously affect the farmers' interest and consumers' interest. BJP government intends to transfer these to the corporate house. They are not bothered about the farmers and poor people and poor consumers. That's why you are opposing this. It is anti-farmer, anti-people.
So far, there have been 11 rounds of talks between the farmer unions and the government. But yet, the deadlocks continued as both the sides stuck to their stand. In January, the government offered to suspend the farm laws for 12 to 18 months, but the farmer unions rejected it. So what's left is to see how this Bharat Bandh will be impactful on the government. With camera person Mukesh Ram, this is Shriyanka for Orissa Post Live.